At the heart of India's economic transformation rises Madhya Pradesh, a natural home for startups, investors, and innovation. A state that turns ideas into enterprises and enterprises into impact. Guided by the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, which places startups at the heart of India's development, Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav is leading Madhya Pradesh's startup ecosystem with clarity and purpose. The state government recently launched the Madhya Pradesh Startup Policy and Implementation Scheme 2025, laying a strong foundation for Viksit Madhya Pradesh as part of Viksit Bharat.
यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर के इस कार्यक्रम में खास करके स्वरोजगार को बढ़ावा देने के लिए, युवाओं के स्टार्टअप्स को समर्थन देने के लिए हमारी सरकार लगातार काम कर रही है.
From just 7 startups in 2016 to over 6,500 DPIIT recognized startups in 2025, the state has recorded a transformational rise. From Indore and Bhopal to Jabalpur, Gwalior, Sagar, Rewa and Shahdol, entrepreneurship in Madhya Pradesh extends to every part of the state. With over 2,200 startups, Indore has emerged as a leading hub for technology and digital services.
हम लोग एक हेल्थ टेक कंपनी है. हम लोग रूरल टेलीमेडिसिन में हैं. मेरा जो पहला चेक मुझे कंपनी में मिला था एज अ फंडिंग, वो गवर्नमेंट का ही चेक था. 35 लाख रुपए मुझे गवर्नमेंट से मिले, जिससे मैंने अपनी जर्नी जो 0 पे थी या 1 पे थी, उसको मैंने 5 तक पहुंचाया.
Bhopal, home to more than 1,600 startups, anchors governance-led innovation, healthcare and knowledge-driven enterprises.
We thank our Honorable CM Dr. Mohan Yadav ji along with the conducive policy for MSME and the startup for encouraging not only just entrepreneurship but industrialization in the state.
More than 1,800 startups have emerged from Tier 2 and Tier 3 districts, proving that innovation here knows no boundaries. Leveraging its strong agricultural base, Madhya Pradesh is home to over 500 agri-value chain startups. The service sector forms the backbone of the ecosystem, driven by IT services, healthcare and life sciences, education, professional services and emerging deep tech domains. And with 47% startups led by women and over 65,000 direct jobs created, it exemplifies inclusive and sustainable entrepreneurial growth.
SparkVR is an edtech startup. We truly appreciate the support given to us by the Madhya Pradesh government, especially our incubation at the Jabalpur Incubation Center, which was instrumental in our journey.
This momentum is strengthened by effective governance. Through the Madhya Pradesh Startup Policy and Implementation Scheme 2025, the state has provided over 4.3 crore rupees in direct incentives, supported by digital clearances, time-bound approvals and transparent systems. Under the Entrepreneur in Residence provision of the MP Startup Policy, aspiring founders from Madhya Pradesh receive 10,000 rupees per month for 1 year to kickstart their startup journey. There are around 100 plus incubators in the state supporting and facilitating startups in their journey. From ideation and incubation to funding access and market linkages, the state provides end-to-end support across the startup lifecycle.
So we have become the third largest startup ecosystem in the world, and government is promoting startups in a big way.
Today, Madhya Pradesh stands at a defining moment, a place where policy meets purpose and ideas find scale. Madhya Pradesh invites innovators, entrepreneurs and investors to come and be a part of this growth story. And a magnificent Madhya Pradesh